Beautiful English. Speaking practice. English grammar tenses speaking training kit. Active and passive voice. Speaking practice 1. Affirmative sentences. Lesson 1. Getting familiar with all the grammar tenses. Speaking exercise 1. Look, listen, and repeat after the speaker. Then look at the tenses chart and read sentences paying attention to their tense and tense form. I write letters with a pen every day. Every day, letters are written by me with a pen. They are eating dinner now. Dinner is being eaten by them now. She has just bought a car. A car has just been bought by her. We have been building our house for 2 years. Our house has been being built by us for 2 years. I ate ice cream yesterday. Ice cream was eaten by me yesterday. He was reading a book at 12 o'clock yesterday. A book was being read by him at 12 o'clock yesterday. She had already cleaned her room before he came. Her room had already been cleaned by her before he came. He had been painting his house for 2 hours when it started to rain. His house had been being painted by him for 2 hours when it started to rain. He will invite me to his birthday party tomorrow. Tomorrow, I will be invited by him to his birthday party. I will be learning English at this time tomorrow. English will be being learned by me at this time tomorrow. He will have completed his project by next week. By next week, his project will have been completed by him. Her teacher will have been teaching her for 3 hours by noon. By noon, she will have been being taught by her teacher for 3 hours.